this function is transformed into this one. We need to list the transformations in order. So let's think about the order first of all. Outside the brackets in the y direction, we've got these two things happening. And that's, as expected, multiplication before addition, so stretch before translation. Inside the function, we have these two happening. We would expect, because of these brackets and BIDMAS, for the -5 to happen first. So the opposite happens, the stretch happens first, and then the translation. So first of all, we have a stretch in y direction by factor 3, because it's in the y direction, it's what we expect it to be. Then we have a stretch in the x direction by factor, where it says -0.5, so it's actually going to be -2, the reciprocal. And then finally we have a translation by a vector, and the vector in this case is going to be, it says -5, so that means it's +5 in the x direction and -1 in the y direction. It's worth pointing out we could have done this in a slightly different way, particularly this blue step here. We could have said a stretch in the x direction by factor 2, +2, and also a reflection in the x direction, so a reflection in the y-axis because of that negative. So you could have split that up into two, a positive stretch and a reflection. You don't need to do that. It's fine to write as a stretch with a negative factor, but if you wanted to, you could split it into a stretch with a positive factor and a reflection.